Hello, I'm Jay. I've been living and teaching conversational American English in Japan for 15 years. I started English Life to help others with their English pronunciation. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you about food textures. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Now sit back and get ready to start learning together. Please give it a try. Fluffy. Cotton candy is fluffy. Pancakes are fluffy. I love fluffy pancakes. Flaky. Biscuits are flaky. Fish is flaky. I like flaky codfish. Crispy. Chips are crispy. Fried chicken is crispy. I love crispy fried chicken. Crunchy. Nuts are crunchy. Tacos are crunchy. I like crunchy tacos. Chewy. Gummy bears are chewy. Chocolate chip cookies are chewy. I love chewy chocolate chip cookies. Gooey. Natto is gooey. Okra is gooey. I like gooey okra. Sticky. Honey is sticky. Cinnamon rolls are sticky. I love sticky cinnamon rolls. Smooth. Cheesecake is smooth. Hummus is smooth. I like smooth hummus. Tender. Chicken strips are tender. Steak is tender. I love tender steak. Moist. Brownies are moist. Blueberry muffins are moist. I love moist blueberry muffins. Greasy. Bacon is greasy. French fries are greasy. I love greasy French fries. How about you? What foods are fluffy, flaky, crispy, crunchy, chewy, gooey, sticky, smooth, tender, moist, and greasy? Leave it in the comments down below. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. I upload videos every week, and check out some of our other videos on English pronunciation. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. See you again real soon.